Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sumo squat machine. First, let's get you set up correctly. Stand with your feet wide, about 2 to 3 feet apart, and point your toes outward at a 45-degree angle. Make sure the shoulder pads are comfortably resting on your shoulders and adjust the machine if needed. Keep your back straight against the support pad and engage your core muscles. This proper starting position is crucial for a safe and effective workout. Now let's perform the squat. Begin by slowly lowering your body, pushing your hips back and keeping your chest up. Imagine you are sitting down into a chair. Descend until your thighs are roughly parallel to the floor, or even a little lower if comfortable, ensuring your knees track over your toes. Maintain a straight back throughout the movement. Then, powerfully drive through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Breathe out as you push up. To maximize your workout and prevent injury, let's discuss common mistakes. A frequent error is rounding your back. Always keep it straight and firmly against the machine's pad. Another mistake is allowing your knees to collapse inward. Ensure they track directly over your toes throughout the entire movement. Also, resist the urge to rush. Perform each repetition with a controlled, steady pace, taking about 2 seconds to lower and 2 seconds to raise. Focus on muscle engagement, not speed. The sumo squat machine is fantastic for strengthening your glutes, inner thighs, and quadriceps. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the resistance to continue challenging your muscles. A good starting point is to aim for 3 sets, with 8 to 12 repetitions per set. Consistency is key, so incorporate this exercise regularly into your routine. Enjoy building powerful lower body strength and improving your overall fitness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.